Good evening, everyone. So I'm going to explain few things concerning Euro USD and how I was able to get Euro USD. Okay, so I got Euro USD on a buy today. So this was how I was able to get it. Now, concerning directional bias, I first look at the higher time frame. On directional bias, I focus more on daily time frame and 4-hour time frame. Now look at the trend of the market. The trend of the market is obviously bullish at this point, right? Now I've spotted my resistance and my support levels on where the market touch mostly, inner touch points on where the market react the most. You understand me? So this was how I was able to get this trade. Now when I came down to my 4-hour time frame, I follow the direction of the market. Meanwhile, price has been bearish at some point. That is why I was taking sales, looking for opportunities using my strategy, structural liquidity point of interest, right? So as price was coming down, I was taking more sales until I followed the direction of the market and I saw this trend. This trend line gives us an opportunity that price might break out, right? So anytime the market touches a trend 2 to 3 times or above, means that trend is very strong. But when it breaks, you know that there is a change in reversal and we should be looking for the opposite direction of the market, right? So if you're buying, you should be looking for sales. If you're selling, you should be looking for buys. Now, this is my resistance levels, my support and my resistance levels. How I was able to get this buy? I came down to my 2-hour time frame to look for points of interest. My point of interest was on my resistance level, but it wasn't still valid yet. So I came down. Initially, this was my order block. So I spotted this as my order block first. This was what I spotted. And I came down to my 1-hour time frame. So in my 1-hour time frame, that is when I saw a valid order block. Now, when you're doing top-down analysis, that is when you're going to understand how the market is moving. Remember that we've been having break of structures to the upside. That means we're looking for more opportunities to buy because the market is what? Bullish. So this is a break of structure. This is a break of structure to the upside. So we look for more point of interest, right? So I saw this point of interest, this one. Saw this POI here, and I mapped it out. But it's still on my resistance level. So this one is now invalid. So I came down to my 30-minute time frame. So on my 30-minute time frame, that was when I knew that there should be a pullback after a break of structure or a market structure shift. That's when I saw this break of structure. Yeah. Saw this break of structure here. Then I saw my first pullback after my break of structure here. This is my first pullback after my break of structure. So this was my break of structure. So this was how I was able to get this buy. Now market structure is bullish. Liquidity need to be swept at my point of interest. Then I waited for price to do something like this. Inducement. And I waited for price to consolidate, finish consolidating. While I was waiting, price hit my point of interest and immediately, boom. So that's how I was able to get this buy. Now there will be more opportunities on buy because I've seen some multiple order blocks like this. We have one here. We have another one here. But if you want to look for buys, wait for the market to just breach. You don't just start taking buys. Now the reason why I was able to take this take profits was because of here. So I saw this high, then I put my take profit above the high a little bit. That was when price got broke the high, it retraced a little bit. Now at the beginning I was still on the trade. Some people are still going to be panicking while the price was coming down until price changes direction again to the upside. So price is going to be EURUSD is going to keep buying. We've got 4-hour time frame. So if you want to look for opportunities on EURUSD, you should keep buying until you get to this new resistance level. This one here. So this new resistance level will be where price might keep buying to. So price might keep doing something like this, until maybe price change character or shift to structure. So thank you. That was how I was able to get this trade on EURUSD.